I'm gonna take for example some special ingredients, milk and chocolate, and make some flexible ganache. I'm gonna show you what ingredients needed for this. White chocolate with, I actually mixed the dark chocolate with this, and milk, and iota, and leaf gelatin. I need to report to some special ingredients indeed. Well, I guess. Ayaka is widely used in the food industry for its ability to stabilize dairy products, provide texture and suspension in beverages, and to form the gels that you find in puddings or bakery fillings, and so on. Ayaka creates a gel that is more malleable than gelatin for sure, and setting point is extremely higher than gelatin, almost 10 times. Can you believe it? I guarantee you guys can see it forms a gel, very soft and nice and flexible. Alright, let's get started. Can you see the texture? It's very soft and flexible, and especially very elastic, a little bit of, and non-sticky especially. I hope you guys are aware of the texture of my ganache. Look at this. And Ayaka's distinction gave us a variety to achieve the perfect texture we've been looking for.